In this video, I will show you how to accept payments with Stripe. First of all, open any browser and log in to your Stripe account. Select the Payments option from the left side, scroll down and click on Create a Payment Link. On the next page, you have to create a payment method according to your requirement. Firstly, select the payment type. Choose Products or Subscriptions option. Then click on the search bar. If you want to add a new product, then click on the option Add New Product. Enter the name and description of the product. Then enter the price of your product. Select the currency. Click on Add Product. Now here you can preview your product details and the payment page display. At the left side, you have options to make changes. Click on the checkbox beside Collect Customers' Addresses. For advanced options, click on the checkbox beside Allow Promotion Codes. Now here click on Pay. Scroll up and click on After Payment. Select the option Show Confirmation Page and click on Create Link. Your payment link is created. To verify if the link is working properly, click on Copy. Then paste it in a new tab. Here you can see the product details and payout page.